Hey everyone! Today we're diving into one of the most mind-bending topics out there, time travel. Ever wondered if it's really possible to journey through time like Marty McFly in Back to the Future? Let's break down the science behind it. First off, let's talk about what time travel actually means. Essentially, it's the concept of moving between different points in time, much like we move between different points in space. Sounds cool, right? But the real question is, how could we actually do it? Einstein's theory of relativity is a great starting point. According to Einstein, time and space are interconnected in what we call space-time. When you move through space, you're also moving through time. This is where things get really interesting. One of the most fascinating ideas from relativity is time dilation. Basically, the faster you move, the slower time passes for you compared to someone who's standing still. This has been proven with super precise atomic clocks on airplanes. So, in a way, astronauts on the International Space Station are time travelers. They're aging a bit slower than us here on Earth. Now let's amp it up a notch with wormholes. These are theoretical passages through space-time that could create shortcuts for long journeys across the universe. Imagine folding a piece of paper in half and poking a hole through it to connect 2 points. That's a wormhole. If wormholes exist and we could travel through them, we might be able to move between different points in time. But here's the catch. Wormholes are highly unstable and could collapse at any moment. Plus, we haven't even proven they exist yet. So, while they're a fascinating concept, they're still in the realm of theoretical physics. Another concept worth mentioning is cosmic strings. These are hypothetical, one-dimensional defects in the fabric of space-time left over from the early universe. They might have enormous gravitational pull, which could theoretically bend space-time enough to create closed, time-like curves. Essentially, paths that loop back on themselves and allow time travel. Sounds amazing, but just like wormholes, cosmic strings remain speculative. Of course, the idea of time travel brings up a ton of paradoxes. The most famous is the grandfather paradox. If you traveled back in time and prevented your grandfather from meeting your grandmother, would you even exist to make the journey in the first place? These kinds of questions make time travel a favorite topic for science fiction, but a headache for scientists. So, is time travel possible? Right now it remains a tantalizing blend of theory, imagination, and a lot of unanswered questions. But the journey to understanding it can teach us a lot about the universe and our place in it. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the science of time travel, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-bending explorations. Until next time, stay curious.